Good morning, everybody. About to head over to the body shop. Gotta go drop off the check, and then I got the covers for the 240 we're gonna install today, and gotta show you guys some bad news with the Lexus. So this is my bad. Parked too close and popped off the tab, so now we got a lot of play. So I gotta get that fixed. So I'm gonna head to the body shop. We're gonna find out how much this is gonna cost me, and then might have to throw it on my claim for the insurance to take care of it and refix that bumper. I am currently charging my battery in my spine, so I have to do this for the rest of my life, which sucks. But yeah, so let's get going. Gotta make sure the rings are. See, it went off. There we go. So I just gotta hold that, and there you go. So I'm at 50%. But yeah, so I'm gonna head over to the body shop, drop off the check, see how much this is. If it's not too much, then I'll go ahead and pay out of pocket. If it's too much, then I'm gonna have to just have my insurance take care of it. I got a great deductible. It's only 50 bucks. So let the car warm up. Then after that, like I said, install these. So they look alright. So I mean, it'll look better once I got the carbon fiber head to match everything the way I'm going. So little by little, I still got to get rid of this Scraper Buick. But yeah, so let me go get. I'm feeling so out of it. I need to get something to eat. I haven't eaten yet. It's 1:45. So I'm gonna get something to eat real quick and then head over there. I'll see you guys at Bugs. Alright, so I talked to Nathaniel. He checked out the bumper. He says the bumper needs to be replaced. So because of the way the bumper designed, it's to break away like that. That's why all the tabs snapped. So it wouldn't damage anything else except for the bumper. So now this bumper is from roughly just cost-wise, it's 800 bucks for a stock one, not including paint, labor, and all that installing because of the sensors and everything. So because of that incident, I just cost myself $2,000 worth of damage. 2,000 plus worth of damage, excuse me. I spit it. If you know, this is my old neighborhood. So I used to live there. It's my first place I got my own little duplex. But yeah, so that sucks. Luckily I got insurance. It's gonna sucks if I gotta pay more insurance or what. My deductible is awesome though, so thank God for that. But like I said, I just been having off days. Like I curbed the wheel, I got messed up my bumper. It's just I got a lot of things going through my mind, I guess. And so got all the paperwork done, dropped off the check. They'll take care of the damages that happened, and now I gotta call AAA now. So I'm gonna find somewhere to pull over so I can get them on the phone before the end of the day, because it is gonna be 3 and I don't want to be on hold forever. So I had to give them a call. Then Steve will probably come back out again, inspect it, cut a check, and then give it back to Bugs. And then I told them let's set up to where we can get everything done at once, instead of get the damages from the break-in fix and then come back again and get the bumper. So at least I can give them the car and let them do the whole thing to the car and get it going. So I'm going to call AAA now and set my claim, and I'll see you guys at the house, and we'll pop on those covers for the 240. So I'll see you guys at the house. So just left the Delta, what is it called? Delta Awards, I believe. They do Delta Awards. They do engraving, and I was trying to get my groomsmen steering wheel engraved, but they said it didn't work. So I guess the angle, this is my first NRG wheel ever, so I guess the angle wouldn't allow the laser cut to engrave their name, and so that was a fail. That was like months of waiting, so we'll keep that there. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the house. We still gotta put those covers on before it gets late. Talk to the insurance company. So for a collision deductible, it's $500. So I gotta pay $500. So $500 to get a $2,000 plus. I'm trying to stand this up. $2,000 plus bumper fix. So I'll get a brand new bumper paint. They'll have to repaint the wall lip, the sensors and all. So $500. It's not bad. It's a lot. I mean, that's, to some people, that's their paycheck right there. So it's gonna be a lot, but it is what it is. At least I'll get it done. And like I said, I'm gonna probably end up parking the Lexus and not use it as much as a daily, and start focusing on getting the Civic driving as my daily, and working on that drift car. So let's go get the covers done and put it on the drift car. All right, so I'm here gonna take these covers off and replace these with the wrapped ones. So I'm gonna fire it up. Haven't started this in a while. Hopefully the battery is not dead. I had a gentleman from OfferUp hit me up. He wants to see the Type R tomorrow, so we might have the Type R sold tomorrow. We'll find out. Oh no, I think the battery's dead. Yep. Battery is dead. Alright, that sucks. So I'm gonna have to take this battery out and bring it to my house. And oh wait, never mind, I got my jumper right here. Let me jump this. Alright, jumper is connected. We got power. And let's go for it. Come on. And up. So I do a couple more times until, because the jumper will reset and I gotta disconnect and reconnect. So let's get this going. Ooh, that's loud. So car's running. I have a feeling that if I leave the doors open, it kills the battery. So after I'm done here, I'm gonna have to just take the battery home and hook it up to the charger, because I don't have it here. So that's good. Just let it run while I work on here, so it charges the battery somewhat. I'll pull that battery off and take it home. It's running off of a Yada battery, and this thing's super tiny and not cheap. So we'll let it run, warm up. I said I haven't started this car in a while, so if I don't start it every once a week, the battery dies. So, but yeah, let me go ahead and set you guys up and let's get these covers off. So I'm going to take off these covers just because, I'm going to take out the bumper, take out the whole headlight, because I don't want to damage this. It's not cheap. So I'm going to take out the bumper and pull off each headlight and then disassemble it, just get covered, then we'll slap it back on and get everything situated. So like I said, I'm not trying to rush it. I'm going to take my time, and even though it just frustrated, but I got to get this done right. So I'm going to just do a little bit extra steps just to get things situated, because I don't want to mess it up. I'm going to meet up with some people on Saturday. We're going to bring out the 240, so I'm trying to get everything ready. So let me get this bumper off and then we'll take everything apart. Alright, so headlights are off. As you can see, the brackets, they're basically sitting on the intercooler. So that's why I can't, well, these ones don't have it. They can install the motor, because the motor would get in the way. It's either lower the intercooler, take this top mount intercooler, get a lower one, but I do like this style because it's hitting, and it's not like saying, look at me, when a cop drives by. So that's why I do like this intercooler. I do like the setup. So if anything, I might just keep it like this for now until I can find that one kit, and then it fixes it to where I can still drop it. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these apart, and I don't want to crack these, so I'm gonna take it care of these plastic pieces. This is not cheap, even though Nissan Parts has it. But like I said, I don't want to pay extra for another one. I already bought this one. They're pretty much almost $100 each. So this one's still good. That one's brand new. So I'm gonna just take it, assemble it, and so my father's home. So he is here hanging out with me at the garage. So we're gonna go ahead and show you. Here's the first part. I took out one bolt, and the headlight can go up and down by manual, of course. So I'm gonna find a bolt to where I can just keep it locked down and maybe do the sleepy eye and just keep it like that. And at least you guys can see the scoop now. So I just gotta install that one. I'll do the same thing. So I just gotta go to Ace Hardware because Home Depot and Lowe's are trash. But I removed this bolt. So I'm gonna find something like this, and then I can throw a washer and then set it up to where I can have sleepy eyes. So make it work. And then let's hit that. So let's finish this one up. Ooh. So that was inside there. So I got the headlights down by just removing that bolt. So I'll have to rig it somehow to where I can do the, I guess, sleepy eyes. Let me wipe this down real quick. So I use the cleaner, so at least it gives it a better look. So this is look like from the front. I'm going to adjust this one to match it. So it's basically the brackets sitting on the dash bar. That's why it's giving that sleepy eye. So once I get a bolt to adjust it, I'll get the side sitting up the same too. So I'll measure it and get it to be the same. So I took off the headlight because I'm going to replace it. I have one at home. So I'm going to get it sitting the same height. But yeah. So once I get the carbon fiber hood with the vents, and it has two of these vents, one here and one there, so it kind of plays off of each other, so the carbon fiber hood will match. But like anything, once things get situated, I'll probably end up painting the carbon to match this and see if they can do like a see-through so it leaves the effect of the carbon. But yeah, because this hood is heavy. But yeah, so that's what we're looking at. Not bad. So alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, and we'll probably do the side mirrors because I still need to install those. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Sensational.